Linking your bank account to CGSociety is a straightforward process that allows you to manage your transactions easily. Follow these steps to complete the linking process. Step 1. Create or log into your CGSociety account. Visit the CGSociety website and either log into your existing account or create a new one if you don't have an account yet. Ensure that you have all necessary personal information ready for account creation. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breach records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Select payment methods. In the account settings, find the option for payment methods or banking information. This section allows you to manage how you receive payments or make transactions on the platform. Step 4. Add your bank account information. Click on the option to add a new bank account. You will need to enter your bank account details, including the account number, routing number, and any other required information. Double check for accuracy to avoid issues. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After entering your bank account information, review all details for correctness. Once confirmed, save the changes. You may receive a verification email or notification to finalize the linking process. By following these steps, you can successfully link your bank account to CGSociety. This will enable you to streamline your transactions and manage your finances more effectively on the platform.